Hello people, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So welcome back to my channel, the Programmer Tutorials channel. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So today we're gonna talk about WPS Office. It's a tutorial maybe, and I'm gonna tell you what's this tool. So this tool helps you create Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, Microsoft Word documents, and for free. It's like Microsoft Word Office. The only difference is that it's for free, and it may not have all the features that are in these, but it can also open and edit and even create PDF files. And it have a lot of tools actually. So let's open it and see how it does work. If you open this, you can here create, you're gonna see this screen. It's identical to, my screen will be identical to yours. Here you can open, create a new document, Microsoft Word documents. Here you create an Excel spreadsheet. Here a PowerPoint presentation, and here a PDF file. Here you edit a PDF. Here you convert a PDF to Word. Here a PDF to picture. Here a templates, all the templates. Here is the WPS Academy, and a lot of stuff. Here you can open an existing file, create a new file. Here are my recent opened files, and here are the settings, the theme settings, the switch language, and what's new, the official website. And talking about the official website, it's so easy. You can just like search WPS Office and you're gonna find the official website, and you're gonna download WPS Office from that and install it. It's so easy and straightforward. And as you can see here, I'm in the free trial. Boost your work efficiency with 80 premium benefits. Edit PDF text, images, and links. Convert PDF to Word. A lot of stuff actually, but I am using the free version. And I am a guest, as you can see. So today, I want to tell you that some of these are paid features, and not all the features are free. But all I care about is these three. 1, 2, 3. Documents, spreadsheet, and presentations. And what I care about also is opening and editing the PDF files. So let's open one of my recent PDF files. One thing that Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader doesn't have is that it doesn't save from where you left, okay? It doesn't save the page where you left. That's why actually I had Adobe Acrobat and I just uninstall it, because I just, for example, keep reading from this page, okay? No matter how ready a class is to enter, and you're gonna just go and gonna come back and you're gonna find yourself in the same page. Keep reading and everything is okay, but this is not available in Adobe Acrobat. So that's what I don't like about Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader. So go to the first. This is a book, a very useful and nice book by Ron Fry, How to Study. When you open a PDF book, you can read it, you can make it bigger or smaller, you can change how you read, like this, 1, You can play slide shifts, which is gonna play like the PowerPoint slides and presentations, and click exit or escape. I'm sorry, click escape to escape from this. You can read 2 pages at once, 1 page. You can, I don't know, this is the pages all together. And if they are not all together. Oh, okay, I got it. If you click this, if you are here reading the number 14, and you can stay between the pages, between this and this. But if this is not available, you can, if you just completed reading this, you're gonna switch to the other page and not in between the pages. Here is the number of the pages of the book, and here also is the number, and this stuff is all here and here. There is some features like editing the PDF, but not all the features are for free. You can see the crown here, In the insert, everything has a crown. For example, if you want to add a background, and wait a minute. So some have the crown, which are premium features, some don't have the crown. And I don't actually edit PDF, I just read it. You can do some stuff like, for example, if you find something useful, for example, your improvement, not money. You just select it, and there's some stuff here, for example, highlight this. Highlight what you need, so you can strike through something. If there is a list of new habits to develop, for example, in studying, you can strike through that, like, yes, I did develop this habit, so strike through it and don't show it again. You can wipe off, wow, and it's gone. And you can mess with this PDF file. I don't know if I can edit the text for free. Yes, I can. No. I don't think it's for free anyway. So I don't want to pay. So that's it. And there are a lot of stuff actually. Edit content. Edit content is a premium feature. So I want to escape. And you can underline the text, and copy the text, which is pretty useful features when you are reading something like Convince Them of Reality. You can just, if you are interested in this, you can highlight it, okay? So that's it for the PDF. There's some stuff adding comments. Some things are not paid, and the other things are premium features. So that's it. And I'm gonna go back to home. There's the hand and the select tools. Let's just come back. For example, if you are in the select tool, you can select things. And if you are in the hand tool, you can walk and read. And you cannot select actually. So that's it for the PDF. Oh, okay. Okay, the find, and if you wanna find something like study. Actually, this word is gonna be repeated all the time. For example, habits. Study habits. Developing good study habits is like a foot race between you and your friends. And your study habits. This is your assessment of your study habits as they exist right now. Actually, this is a good book. I need to complete reading it. So that's it for PDF. And if you are going to close the file, I'm gonna ask you to save the changes or don't save the changes. So I don't want to save the changes, so just say no. And if you want to save the changes, say yes. And you're gonna save it here. You don't want to go to your files here and look for the PDF everywhere. Where is my book? And as you can see here, my books are in different folders. This is in a folder called English. Some are in the folder called for dummies. And a lot of folders, communication and networking, and a lot of stuff. So you're just gonna keep your recent file here, which is great. And if this is not enough for you, you're gonna ask for more. And you're gonna save things from earlier times, okay? Not just from the previous 7 days. So we're gonna come back to home. Wait a minute. I want to come back to the main home layout. Let's open a document and see. Here is a document. I don't use the templates because some are paid, some are free. So, and it takes a lot of time to use a template. It's gonna take you to the website, create an account, and a lot of stuff. So I don't use them. I just use a blank document because I can use templates in my Microsoft Word account. So this is an identical tool as Microsoft Word. It looks like it. Okay, and everything is the same. For example, let's write something. Everything is the same. Everything is the same. Yeah, the same. Select this here by triple clicking, double click, select. Oh, wait a minute. Double click, select the word, triple click, select the whole sentence. Here, the size of your text, let's make it 50. Wow, that's big. 30 maybe, 30. Here is the font, okay? Wow, that's beautiful. Here is the bold, the italic, the underline, the strike through. And we also have the superscript and the subscript. For example, xn and x2. If we want to make x power 2, let's make this a superscript, and you can see it's an x power 2. Let's make it 2 times in Roman so that you can understand what this means, x power 2. And for this, times in Roman, x subscript and subscript, yeah, it's subscript. So here it became a subscript. That's nice, that's cool, that really great. So you can make it bigger here, smaller here, or you can just look through the sizes here, or you can just write the size you want. You can work with the sentence case on the text color, highlight the text or remove this highlighting. You can look for some beautiful word art. Wow, that's beautiful. Anastasia. Okay, so make it to maybe 50. And you can see how this text art works. So beautiful, so gorgeous. For example, this golden one. It's not golden actually, but it can be golden. So this one, wow. This one, actually I like this one. There is some like shadow, reflection, glow. For example, some glow, some black, some red glow. Okay, some red glow. And you can just make your way, take your time and make your way through these and learn what are these, the reflections, the shadows. I'm gonna tell you just a small introduction, okay? So if we make it 20, and let's make it, I don't want the word art, I want black. So we're gonna copy this several times. I'm gonna show you some stuff like the bulleted list. So the bulleted list, wow, you can change the bullets. Wait a minute, you can change the bullets to something beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. And if you click enter, you're gonna create a new bullet and make you write your stuff, and click enter, create a new bullet. If you don't like new bullets, click the back arrow and the new bullet is gone. Okay, so you can just move your bullet around. You can 1, 2, 3, the number list. Okay, so I don't want a numbered list actually, number list. So let's make it looks like a paragraph because we need to do some stuff. We're gonna talk about the alignments actually. So here is, you can make it go to the left, to the right, to the left, to the center, or make it justified, which means that all the lines gonna be the same. So to the right or justified, you cannot see the difference, but I need to keep a text for you to make you see the difference. So wait a minute, I'm gonna keep the text and come back very soon. So I came back here and I have my text actually. I'm gonna paste it here. So here is my text. And if it's in the left and justified, you're gonna make this line so beautiful. Just notice to the left and justify. And you're gonna add some spaces like in here, in here, in here. You're gonna add a lot of spaces to make all the lines end at the same point. Yeah, so that's cool. You can work with the line spacing, so the difference between the lines, for example, the space between the lines. So 1.5, 2, there is 2.5, there's 3, you can see. So let's make it to 1. And what's this? Combine characters. I don't use this actually. So there are a lot of stuff actually. You can insert a table like this. So beautiful. You can insert the table. Here are the number of columns, the number of rows. You can insert your own table. You can draw a table. And the table has a style actually. Actually, if you watched my Microsoft Word tutorial, you're gonna notice that it's identical to Microsoft Word. So beautiful tables actually. So if you know how to use Microsoft Word, you will be able to use this. You can insert a picture from your files. You can insert shapes, icon library, the chart library. There's a lot of chart here. Wait a minute, where are the charts? I think it works with the internet, and you see I don't have an internet. So the page layout, here is the margins, the orientation, portrait or landscape, the size, A4 letter or A4 paper, the columns, for example. Let's paste our text again here and make some columns. Wow, so beautiful columns actually. 3 columns is also nice. And the references, you can add a reference here, create references, APA citations, and table of contents, table of figures, spell check. You can spell check. Yeah, you can choose your language and you're gonna spell check that language. View. Okay, the reading. Wow, I don't want the reading. I need to escape actually. So the web layout, they're gonna look like a web page, and escape. No, print layout. So the view, the section. Actually, there are a lot of stuff. So please watch my Microsoft Word tutorial on my channel so that you can understand what all these things means. I wanted just to show you that it's identical to Microsoft Word and you can use it. It's for free. There are some features that this software doesn't have compared to Microsoft Word, but it's okay if you want to write your assignments or your essays. It's gonna be very helpful. So let's just learn how to save this. You're gonna save or save as, and when you want to save, you're gonna have some some options. There are a lot of options actually. You can save as a Word, as a text, and you can go here to the PDF and save it as a PDF. So now it's saved as a PDF. You can open it. Okay. Exporting PDF is completed. Close. Where did I save it actually? I'm gonna save it again. Save as to see where did I save it. Okay, I saved it in Documents. So let's go to Documents and see where is my PDF. Just this is one. This one. This is the one. So here is my PDF that I saved right now. It's the same to start stakeholder analysis. So this is about opening Word. No, don't save. This is about Microsoft Word. You can create a spreadsheet, a blank spreadsheet, and work with it. It's identical to Excel. And when I say it's identical, it's really identical. Just try that and you're gonna understand. So, and a PowerPoint presentation. So here is a presentation, and maybe there are a lot of templates available, animations, transitions, a design. Let's choose a design actually. For example, this one. And you add title here, a subtitle here. WPS Office. A powerful tool. A powerful tool. And you're gonna add the one here and another one. And you're gonna go to the slideshow. Escape. I'm gonna start from here. And here is our slideshow. Click. And you're gonna go to the next pages, and since I have nothing in next pages, it has just nothing, so maybe I'm gonna paste my text. Wow, that's a little bit too much. So that's it, my text. So let's delete this one. I don't know. Anyway, Let's start again. Okay, WPS Office is a powerful tool. To start, actually, I liked it. So here is the color schemes that you want to choose and to use. Actually, so that's about PowerPoint. Okay, don't save. So you can create a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation. You can create even a PDF, but I don't create that. I think it's a paid service. And you can open PDFs, edit, highlight, underline. And if you are interested, I can make a tutorial actually. But since I made a Microsoft Word tutorial, I think that it's the same and I'm gonna just repeat the same things. So that's why I don't make a WPS Office tutorial, because I made a Microsoft Word tutorial. Okay, I may make a spreadsheet or presentations tutorial. So that's it for Microsoft Word, for WPS Office. That's it for WPS Office. It's totally free for people who cannot pay and who cannot afford to have these Excel, Word, and PowerPoint, which is the Microsoft Office. You can just have this one. It's so powerful, and I've been using it for maybe 5 years. Yes, for 5 years, and it's powerful, totally powerful. I'm not like sponsoring this. I'm just showing you a free way to do your assignments, your essay, and to do your work. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I hope that you got a lot of new information in this video, and see you soon.